Okay, a little sound check from you both.
Hello, my name is Awesome.
Yeah.
176 RC drift car. All right, ready?
Yep. Good luck, gentlemen.
Well,
No? Okay.
yeah, that's perfect. Wherever you'd like it to be. Because these things are freaking incredible. Hello, welcome back. I'm Aaron. This is
Maurice, and welcome back to Tabletop Racing.
Tabletop Racing by Turbo Racing. Well, it's by RCSparks really, but check this out.
Collaboration.
This is a 1/76 scale RC drift car, my friends. Show off your box. We got
Here's mine.
3 of them here. These actually came with extra bodies on the inside and small adjustment pieces, but look at these 2 little beauties right here.
Yeah. Mine's the gray one, yours is the blue.
Yep, you've got a Hellcat, a
Yep.
Dodge Challenger Hellcat. I actually have a Nissan Skyline. Both of these vehicles, look underneath.
Have a
Can you turn off your underglow?
Give me just a moment.
There you go. Yeah. So not only do they have underglow to them on both vehicles, but they also have a gyro in the front that can be adjustable in sensitivity that help keep your wheels adjusting as you're sliding sideways. For those that don't know what drifting is, it's about getting your car to go sideways under power. Well, not power sliding, but you'll understand. These are 2-wheel drive.
And man, they're difficult to do. Granted, this is my first time ever doing them.
That's so true. It is a challenge. Look at those tires. They're actually metal.
Real Hot Wheels now.
Yeah, these are great for tabletop, any kind of smooth surface. We actually have a Turbo Racing very smooth course, not rubber.
Yeah.
Shall we show them off?
100%. Let's go. Just gotta turn my lights back on.
Let's see what I got. So again, 3 speed settings on my radio, 20, 50, and 100 right up here.
Right now I'm on 50, just because that's the most controllable level to me.
Right. And 100 I find for me is a little bit better, plus I have way more skill. I don't actually, neither one of us know how to drift.
I mean, at least you've done it before.
That's true. You would think I've done a show called Learning to Drift, I would be better at it, but I am not. So right now, basically we're indicating that neither one of us know what we're doing.
I'm making sure to hit every single car possible.
Right? Let's turn on my blinking lights. There we go. My drift lights.
Whoa.
Shout out to Afro RC. If you're watching right now, I just blocked my kid's view. Easy. Oh, nice.
Distraction.
So basically these are just a little bit smaller than a Hot Wheels. Oh, nice.
But just by a little bit, like not even like measurable, kind of.
Here is a Hot Wheels so you can kind of get an idea of proportion of what we're looking at here. All right, we thought we'd throw that out. Every other vehicle on this tabletop right now is actually a Turbo Racing vehicle.
You can just kind of see that by the lights that are on.
True that.
I'm just gonna fix these bodies.
Oh, nice. See if I can get around here.
Oh yeah, that is a difficult little place to do.
Right. So everything we needed came inside the box, and we just figured since we've been doing this for a few different episodes now where we first overviewed these semi-trucks, which are absolutely, this is yours.
Yep.
Which are,
Oh, shoot.
That's all right. I unhooked it. Sorry about that. There you go. Which are insanely powerful. Sound kit, the lights, everything about these trucks are actually really cool.
Quite
and then
fantastic.
When we stopped looking at that, we started looking at the racetrack cars, which were this Hellcat right here, this Hellcat right here, and then this Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 9. All 3 of these cars are absolutely stunners.
All very beautiful.
But we haven't tried drifting with them yet. They do have rubber tires on them.
A slippery sheet.
Slippery sheet. But winter's coming up, and we figured we could get good with these. Oh!
Hard to control.
Welcome to drifting.
In the games, it looks so easy.
Yeah.
In the games, it is easy. And this is with gyros helping us. Like, you can see how unpracticed we are. But to be able to even have the concept of drifting in this small scale, it blows my mind. Shout out to everybody still watching in the video right now. If you're watching, which one of these, tell us in the comments section, which one of these three is your favorite color? Is it the silver, the green, or the blue? Right?
Silver lime and then...
It's beautiful. Yeah, silver, lime, and blueberry. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I just can't believe the technology and how far it's come.
It's incredible.
Since we started
Absolutely
this
incredible.
channel. Yeah. So, since we're talking about the race, shall we get started? They came here to see a race.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No.
Yeah. Okay, so what are we doing? So 3 rounds.
Doing 3 laps?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you hit the car, okay, so the penalty will be, here's this one. If you hit the vehicle or hit any other obstacle, you have to turn the car 180 and place the obstacle back before you continue. Same
What
with
happens
me.
if I hit this one? Do I just turn it 180 and
And
then
then keep going.
Okay.
Yeah, a penalty. Ready?
Ooh.
So
Whoa.
three different laps, yeah?
Yep, 3 laps.
Okay, how about 3, 2, 1, go, and then you go ahead and call it so it's fair.
Actually, how about we just go on go?
Okay, question. We have to do 1 circle around each one. Like before that lap has to have 1 complete circle around each circle because we are drifting. We have to, dude. We can't just race.
We have to.
Ready?
These are the things that matter.
Okay.
We have to.
My car's bigger than yours, dude.
Do you want to switch?
Nope.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Nice. Oh. Oh.
Oh, shoot.
I'm not really drifting and I kind of went outside the line, so I'll give it a little bit more. There we go. I went around twice. You only need to do once. First lap.
First lap.
Oh, I hit it.
Oh, shoot. I hit 1.
Oh, I hit it. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, very good. Did you go around?
Mm-hmm.
Nope.
Oh!
I thought you only needed me to go around an obstacle once.
I had to bust you out because you were on
Reset.
camera.
There you go.
Damn it.
That's all right. There you go. You got it.
Oh, damn it.
You're new at this. That's okay. Fix it and let's go.
Oh, you guys waited for each other to finish your second lap.
Don't point that out. Oh.
I know what I'm doing. Don't worry. Just turn off the camera. No.
Oh, that's okay. I got in your way. Oh, I hit it. Okay. Nice. And I'm out. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh.
Come on, guys. Get
Oh, is that a win? I believe you just won.
I hit this as soon as I
No way.
finished. Pass the line.
No. I did go off the course though. I should have had to have played.
Oh my god, maybe you guys can just work together on the dishes.
Okay, one more lap.
What?
Tie-breaking lap.
Yeah, and I'll start in a handicap position because I got a bit of it there. You ready? In 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, you hit it.
Damn it.
Oh,
Penalty. Both of you hit it.
what did I? Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you. I went your way, so that doesn't count. Keep going. I think I got you, buddy.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Happy.
But I will give you a redeeming shot.
What?
I'm just actually having a great time.
I'll drink like 2 shot glasses of pickle juice if
Ew.
you do the dishes.
I'll do the dishes. Everyone thinks that we do the dishwasher here, Mom, and then it's
Nope.
just load in
No.
the dishwasher.
That thing like exploded when we first
We
got
have
here.
3 dishwashers here.
1, 2, hello.
3.
That sounds like we're bragging.
Look at all you losers having normal dishwashers.
Homesteading.
Lazy.
I am actually thoroughly enjoying this. Let me break out the
We can do this one now?
Nissan Skyline.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
so nice. Let's get on. So these little units, if you didn't see in the last episode, they actually charge right on these controllers. These controllers take 4 AAA batteries. Yeah, go ahead.
Well, what we can do here is there's a little lever down here, and if we push it up, this charger comes up. So then you can charge it to the bottom of your car.
Just like in the race cars. So the race
Charging
cars and the
port.
drift cars both charge on the.
charges.
Yeah, see, mine is like that. Mine's like that.
I get it.
I get it.
Yeah. So, and then you just click the charge, and it starts charging its own thing.
But we're not gonna charge yet.
No, because I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
Thanks for filming, Mom.
Of course. Thanks for thanks for competing.
Oh.
I cheated. Oh shoot.
Oh,
Thank you.
you're welcome. All right, a bet's a bet. A race is a race, except I'm not one to back down either. Is this real pickle juice?
Oh, it's real.
We're gonna have to drink like Shrek's pee.
Ew.
Oh my god, now that you
I'm
call
not
it that, it's
drinking
extra
that.
gross.
Come on.
I'm not drinking that. I don't drink pickle juice. That's bad enough.
But I like the fact that you call it Shrek's pee.
God, seriously, do we have to...
So gross. 3,
Let's do
2, 1. Check it back.
We shouldn't have done that.
No, that's a horrible idea.